I'm Rob Jackson, Superintendent of Buncombe County Schools System.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jennifer Reed, Associate Superintendent of Buncombe County Schools.
I am Dr. Jamie Johnson. I am the Assistant Superintendent for Buncombe County Schools.
We're about to make an incredible surprise announcement for the Owen District,
Enka District,
Erwin District, At-Large District,
the Robertson District,
North Buncombe District,
Reynolds District Teacher of the Year. Come with us. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Dr. Jackson is superintendent, and I'm here because I have a big surprise for Miss Womack. Oh my God! Miss Womack, congratulations, our Reynolds District Teacher of the Year. So well deserved.
Amazing, and Miss Womack. Can I hear a cheer?
Miss Womack is a great teacher because she helped us learn. She does a lot of stuff that I like.
Like what?
Like, I liked when we did the Billy Goat Gruff book and then we acted it out.
Her ability to connect with students is just the best of the best, and she spends so much time making sure that she is doing everything that she can to support each of her students, and it makes absolute sense that she was chosen to represent the Reynolds District, just knowing who she is and seeing her every day in the classroom. She has every expectation that she needs to just be the best that she can be, and it shows in everything that she does.
I never thought I would be here. You know, once upon a time I was a student in this Reynolds District, and then I became a beginning of year teacher, and now I'm representing this entire area and community, and it's a place I never thought I would be at, but here I am, and it's wonderful and it feels really good.
Good morning, everybody. I am Rob Jackson, Superintendent, and I am here this morning because we have a pretty fabulous announcement. Mr. Nestor, you are the Owen District Teacher of the Year.
Mr. Nestor was a student teacher here. Do you remember what year that was?
That was probably 2017.
2017. He bleeds maroon, and we are so proud of him and so grateful for all he does for our school and our community. Thank you, Mr. Nestor. Congratulations.
Mr. Nestor is great because he really encourages his students, and he really believes in all of his students, no matter who they are and where they come from, no matter what background they have. He always pushes them to do their best. And he's always just been a real role model for me and who I want to be for my future. And he's just always been there whenever you need him.
I have always personally enjoyed his classes because I have finally realized how much I've wanted to be into agriculture as much within being an FFA. I've always enjoyed it, and I'm part of our officer team, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
And what makes Mr. Nestor so great is his dedication to his students and his program and Owen High School. He is community and student-centered, and we love all that he does for us. He provides our students with incredible opportunities for leadership and growth, and he is unparalleled in this program.
Being Owen District Teacher of the Year means a whole lot to me because Owen is just a special place to be. There's good, co-workers, good students. It's a good community. Everybody wants to be very supportive of each other, and most importantly, help the kids, which is the most important thing to me.
I think you
guys would agree with me, is an incredible teacher. She cares so much about her students, and she makes learning exciting and fun for all of you. Don't you think? Would you agree? Yeah!
Hey, if you agree with Hazel, give her a thumbs up. I'm giving you a thumbs up too.
I love Mr. Teskey because she always helps me whenever I raise my hand, and she's always very nice and kind. And she always helps people out whenever they like they're having strugglings with something. And she's always available.
I've gotten a lot of inspiration from other teachers, and I've gotten a lot of collaboration from the teachers I work with, and my principal, our counselor here. We've all been doing our jobs, and they've been the support system I needed to be a successful teacher.
Hello, Miss C. We are here to give you a special surprise today. You are the Robertson District Teacher of the Year. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Are you serious? Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Those special hugs first. Wow! Thank you guys. That's so surprise. Thank you so much. Congratulations! Wow! This is for you. Oh, wow! We are so proud of you, and we know you work so hard every day for your students, and you're so deserving. Oh, thank you guys! Thank you so much. Yeah. Woo! I know Mr. Bright wants to say a few words about you too. Oh my gosh! Thank you guys! Thank you so much. What a surprise!
Well, Missy, we're so excited, first of all, to have you as Teacher of the Year for our school and for the Robertson District. You've been just so fantastic to have on the staff. You know, you started as an assistant and moved up to teacher, and we're so thankful for having you here. Wow. And of course, your kids all love you. Oh my gosh. So they're so excited.
Oh my gosh, this is a blessing. Thank you guys so much. This is so surprising. You got me good.
She teaches really well, and the exciting thing about she do is she helps us read very goodly.
Yeah. Now, how nice is she? Is she a super nice teacher?
100% nice.
We're so excited to have her because the kids absolutely love her. She's one of those that every kid feels like that's their grandmother.
It is a complete honor and a surprise. I was just having a conversation about how important it is for us to build bridges. And this is such a surprise and an honor. I'm so thankful for this opportunity, and I'm really surprised. I am so surprised. I just had a conversation with another coworker about, I don't know how this went, and I was hoping that everyone understood my heart for what I really want to do to reconnect our community to the schools after our students have had so many disruptions, and so this is a true blessing. Thank you so much.
Well, it's cold outside, so I was like, why are you racing the door? And then I hear the band. So till I seen you standing there, and Miss Cheek and Miss Franklin, and Mr. Yonks in a jacket and a tie, I had a pretty good idea of what exactly was happening.
I am Dr. Jamie Johnson. I serve as the Assistant Superintendent of Buncombe County Schools. I am here with Miss Christy Cheek from the Buncombe County Schools Foundation, your principal, Mr. Kevin Yonks, and we have lots of visitors here this morning along with Miss Franklin, representative of the Buncombe County Board of Education, and we are very proud to recognize your very own Mr. Darryl Fox as the North Buncombe District Teacher of the Year.
What makes Darryl Fox so deserving of this honor is the fact that his investment in kids, his investment in the kids at North Buncombe, and he's not here for any other reason. He wants these kids to be successful, and he passes on the knowledge that he has gained from being in industry and bringing that into education and he just wants all of his students, when they walk out of here, to either be able to go on to school or be able to go on to a job site and get a job and go to work. His connections with his kids and the relationships that he's built with them over the years, they all come back to see him just year after year.
I love Mr. Fox's class because it's a very welcoming environment. He's very personal with how he teaches, and he knows each and every one of us.
That's the most rewarding part to me, is to see kids that are, I get a lot of higher educated kids down here that are going on to be engineers, lawyers, and all of that, but truly to me, it's the kids that may not have opportunities that others do. And to give them that opportunity, to try to work with them inside our community and get them a decent paying job right out of high school. College is not for everybody. Even the technical school is not for everybody, but giving these kids a chance, it just means the world to me to be able to be that person.
Good morning. I am the Assistant Superintendent, and I am here with your principals to surprise your very own Miss Tori King, to recognize her as the Erwin District Teacher of the Year. So congratulations, Miss King.
She worked so hard to prepare for her kids, differentiating in so many different ways. As a parent, you can only dream that your child has a teacher like Miss King. And so we're just so very blessed and fortunate that she's a teacher and a teacher leader on our campus. And she has made such a positive impact.
Miss King's a great teacher because we did a lot of fun things in her class. We read cool books and stuff. She has a good selection. She can help out people with their grades and stuff.
She makes it really easy to learn. It means kind of the world, because I think Erwin District is just like my home and my community, and so it's just really important for me to represent them and show all the amazing things that this district has to offer.
Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's good to see you. It's been since our luncheon that I've seen several of you. I am Rob Jackson, Superintendent, and I'm here today because we have a very special announcement. In each one of our 45 schools, the teachers get together and they decide who's going to be their Teacher of the Year. And then in each of our high school districts, we get together and determine who's going to be our District Teacher of the Year. And so in our at-large district, of which Community High School is a part of, we have a brand new District Teacher of the Year, and that is you, Mr. Weekman.
Mr. Weekman is a great teacher because his classroom is alive with knowledge. Everything that he is giving to the kids is relevant to the real world and relevant to their lives. He often dresses up as the characters he is teaching about so that the kids laugh and engage and want to know more. Mr. Weekman embodies professionalism. He goes above and beyond in everything that he does within our school, and he loves Community High School.
I think Mr. Weekman is a great teacher because he's really outspoken. He cares about all his students. He's very helpful. He goes beyond with his students. He helps a lot with the work. He doesn't let any of his students fall behind. If they're behind, he makes sure to catch them up and stuff.
I was shocked, surprised, very much honored, very, very blessed to have been selected for that. Very excited my kids were able to see that and to be a part of that too. That's awesome. I have a higher standard now to meet and to represent my district.
Hey guys, my name is Martha Town. I am the current Buncombe County Schools Teacher of the Year. It's been quite a journey, but an amazing one at that. And I can't wait to announce the next 2026 Teacher of the Year. Oh, it's about time.